leave it, Taylor.
Yes, I definitely will. Does this have your...
Yeah, I'm the owner, so you can talk to me if you have a problem.
Okay, yeah, and I'll definitely be... Do you have a higher up? Do you have anything else?
No, I'm the owner of the company.
Okay, well, that was very rude how she definitely
It
talked
literally
to me.
says, do not pet on every single dog's
You should have
vest.
a sign, number one.
There
Number
is
two,
like 4 signs.
you should say...
There are 4 signs on
should
my
not
leash
say-
alone.
No. She should say, sorry,
The
these dogs
answer
are
is
in...
no.
The dogs are in training. Sorry. That could have been nicer. She could have approached it
You
nicer.
asked the question, can I pet the dog? And she said no.
She should
The
have
answer
said
to
that
the
they were
question
in
is no. You
training.
can walk away now.
I don't know you anything.
Bye.
I didn't ask you. I did not ask you.
You asked
came
her
over.
to pet the dog.
You are recording without my consent.
Absolutely.
You are absolutely...
It's legal.
It is not legal.
It
It's
is.
illegal. And
Okay, call the cops.
I
Call
will
the cops.
call my lawyer right now.
Because it's illegal to harass service dogs.
It's a misdemeanor to harass and interact with service dogs.
And you can stop recording. Thank you very much. Hello.
Have a good
Hello.
night.
It's illegal to record without somebody's permission.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? Learn respect.